Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices for the 23rd of March. Not a lot of change here. As you know, from this wave 4 here, we're looking at wave 1 and 2 here, and then wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 here. So in this instance here, it does appear that we've got a little impulse wave down through here. So I was looking for a little ABC pattern to come into play before pushing higher here. Wave 2 was complicated. Wave 4 should be simple. So picking it up from yesterday, what we were looking for yesterday is from the top here, we were looking at 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So 5 waves down and then a 3-wave counter trend. So that's playing out reasonably well, and we'd be looking at the 50-60% retracement level. So it's kind of in that space now at the moment. Perhaps not the best looking ABC corrective rally that we've seen here, so it may get, almost looks impulsive here for that. So it may go a little bit higher, so it may just drop here and give us that sort of B wave, sort of 3-wave move type of thing here for that. But this is the wave 4 of 1 lesser degree here and the 38.2%, so we should be down here somewhere for that. We've had long trades in through here, so we've took a percentage at the top and been stopped out here, and we'll endeavour to get back in. But we've moved the signal from the top here down to the next one. We can just leave it there for the time being because we'll end up bringing it down onto the B wave, and then we'll probably bring it way down here as well. So we just need a bit more of this to unfold, but it does appear that we've got some sort of impulse wave down here for that. If this top gets taken out, then this B wave is moved up too far. So pretty much having support on top of 14,720, nice tested support there, would also create long trades as well. And if that's the case, then the 15,000 becomes the target area at that point, still the target. Yeah, so that's that. The stock 50 is in the same sort of boat as well. So we've got wave 1 and 2, and we've got wave 3 here. So once again here, if you've got a bit of a keen eye, you'll see that we've got this nice strong move in here, which will be the 3rd wave. So this would have to be wave 1 here, wave 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. Maybe that's 5 over here for this, in terms of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. It could play out both ways, but even so, we'd still need this. Well, let's just use these little guys. They're here already. So the A wave, the B wave here, I don't know if that's finished or not, and wave C here. So we're not really interested in this until we get, get something of this nature coming into play here for this. So down here, we do have a long trade in down through here, so we'll just keep it out of the wave 4. We've got plenty of space there, and if that's the case, we'll either make a little bit or we'll make a lot, and we can put in that 4,000 there as well for this, which is a medium level here and nice target to get to. ML4, medium level 4. So that's how that's looking. Now, of course, the FTSE doesn't look very much like any of this, but we'll go and have a look all the same. So with the FTSE here, we were looking up at 1 and 2 and 3 and dragging this into the same bin as the other 2 European markets. But of course, we understand here that this wave 4 move down will give us an overlap here. So that's a bit of a no-no with Elliott wave, but I think you just got to be a bit philosophical about it, because in this instance, the 3rd wave hasn't extended to the upside, so it's all a little bit sort of sad, this market. So this may not even be finished yet either for this. So we may see something like this here in line with the other markets, and then even down, even a deeper move coming in here before seeing this move up. You could count this up as 1 and 2 here if you wanted to, but and it's probably the textbook right thing to do, but you would have to see these, if that was 1 and 2, you'd have to see wave 3, 4, 5 expand out pretty damn fast, and then I don't see that happening. So we'll go with the with the overlap and the sluggishness of it all, and we'll just plod along with it. There's nothing else I can really say or do about this particular market in that regard, so we'll just have to allow that to play out. It's possible, I suppose, to leave this here and look at all of this as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here, and have we'll put it in the mix there. It's possible. So I'll just put it down here somewhere, not that it matters that much. But then that would give us some space at that point. I mean, the odd thing about this too is that this particular count would also line up with the Nasdaq, because it's coming out of its wave 4 here with wave 1 up here and wave 2 here. So if I can just bring that up for a moment. So we got, because this is the Nasdaq's also lagging as well, where the Russell and the S&P have already taken this top out here. So, but this has been going on for such a short time for this wave 1 and 2 here, whereas the FTSE has been going on much longer. So anyway, issues, but still, I mean, we can just look at these things. It's not a big deal. Is that that's what the videos are for? Is just to shoot the breeze, try and understand things, try and make a bit of money along the way, enjoy ourselves. So yeah, anyway, lots of issues with this market. We'll just go into the 1 hour chart here for a moment. So I was counting 5 waves down as 1 and 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to have to bring that over, I think. Yeah, well, that's the way we'll look at it on the intraday. I mean, it could be all done and dusted, but that's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, the third wave. No, I'll take that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, no, I'll stay with that. I'm happy with that. Alrighty, I'll leave it at that. Thanks for tuning in.